Alrighty guys and gals, welcome back. I am walking to the backyard. You might be wondering why I'm holding two sets of keys. Well, we're gonna bring one of the cars back to life, mainly to move it so one vehicle can leave, and that is Anna's truck. She's ready to take it home, and it's kind of blocked in. It's kind of actually a short distance, believe it or not. So, Yard Dart's got to come back to life, and haven't been able to really start this thing because it's been plumb out of gas, and this filler situation, just an absolute pain. So I got my old Holly red pump out, did some rewiring, we got it working. So we're going to use some hillbilly hotep to fill the gas tank, get this thing running again. And of course the battery's been robbed, so I'm hoping the battery for the Duster is in here and it didn't get off scounded with into another vehicle, because I know the Dart's battery I think is in dead. So there we go. Oh, there's water in here.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's
not good.
Well, it's fine. It's pour 15. As long as the MSD distributor isn't getting water on it, it's fine.
Well, I was talking about the battery getting water in it.
Oh, the battery's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go. Now we have a way to power the fuel pump and put fuel into this old Dart. Which, if you're not familiar with the Yard Dart, the whole build series, this was like the first car we actually properly built and filmed on the YouTube channel. And it's a pretty neat little 66. Built it like a D-Dart. I got a 4-speed for it. We'll do on it someday, but someone keeps buying projects and losing interest in some and going on to the next ones. So, all right, well, I hope you guys enjoy this. We're going to get her running, maybe revive her a little bit, but she is not going to be staying on the channel very long. Not saying the car's being sold, just not going to be focused on working on this. We got other things we're working on, like the Barely Cuda, so let's get her running. The upper half, don't do the belly. Got to look like a
burly.
Yeah, like a man should look.
Like a lumberjack?
Like a lumberjack. A slightly gay lumberjack, but still lumberjack.
Okay. Well,
so,
I will assure you, you look like a lumberjack.
Sorry, all the lumberjacks in the world. Okay, so what we're doing here, this is something I cannot recommend you do. This is only something that morons like myself are allowed to do, so don't do this, because we're going to have electricity and gasoline in very close proximities, and they don't really like each other. And actually, they do like each other. They like each other a little too much, but when they like each other too much, they create...
Sparks fly.
Yeah, they make fire, and I don't like fire on my stuff. So what we're doing is a little Holly red pump, an electric fuel pump, alligator clips, put one on the positive side. Sorry, the negative one is exceptionally long. Put that one on there, that one, and that pumps. So all we got to do here is make sure we got the inlet going to the right side. So inlet will be going down to the fuel tank. Outlet will be going into the gas filler. I know, why don't you just get a really long funnel? Well, you know what? Until you had to fill one of these cars with a funnel by yourself, like this Dart or like my Duster, oh, it's a terrible idea.
We did the Duster the last time, didn't we?
Yeah.
With the pump, and it was still a bitch.
Yeah. So I actually made like a little almost like intro thing, like a infomercial, the Hokey gas filler 9 million. When I think we did the Duster, and yeah. So that's in there. This, which this battery might be dead. There it goes, coming to life. Wow, that fuel pump sounds like crap.
Yes.
But that's all it takes. I'll see you guys in about 5 minutes when I'm done doing this. Guess where I am?
Where are you at?
No, what am I?
A turtle?
No, I'm a Holly red pump. People who know how a Holly red pump works, they'll get that.
I thought you were doing the turtle thing like we were doing the other day.
No, it's a rotary pump. It's sitting there spinning around with vanes and stuff. Hence, that's why I'm... We're not getting no more fuel out of it. Okay, that's what's left of the gas that's in these jugs. Now we can go take out a small mortgage to fill these back up. thanks, you know who you are.
Yeah.
Okay, engine. I was getting ready to pre-fill the float balls and I gave it a little squirt. You believe this thing still has freaking fuel in it? That's pretty dang amazing. So let's get this thing fired up and let's actually move this thing around a little bit after Tall John works out of his magic on this bad girl. I never have fixed the leaky head gasket, but don't worry, it's only leaking on the outside, not the inside. Let's see. That's oil. That's an engine. Those are headers. The cobwebs are still in place. We don't want to disturb those too much.
No?
This one, Anna, I'm going to give this one to you. It's
Oh,
like a
yay.
necklace.
Thank you.
There you go. It's got a little helicopter.
Okay, I'll put it in the truck.
Cool.
Okay.
Here we go. Flame on. First discovering his wiener and actually getting it to go. Borrow that. And we got gas gauge working. Tank sitting at 1,000. A little over 50 pounds of oil pressure. MSD7 and ML2 still working. Got that from my good buddy Ed, who might actually be supplying us, selling us the parts for the Barely Cuda. That'd be badass. The worst shifter ever made, the Star Shifter, and our floors are still holding up pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna let this thing warm up and run for a little bit. It hasn't been run in a while. And we'll get her moved so that way Anna can move her truck out and take it home. Hope y'all are enjoying. No yard darts back. Listen to that thing just go potato, 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 potato. So this has got a short track Mopar Performance solid cam and I got from my good buddy Rodney Bird. We went through 2 cams before I was kind of happy. We went through an Isky E4 grind that everybody said was the perfect cam for this 273, and it was a dog. I mean, that was the worst cam I think I ever experienced. No noise pollution, no power. I mean, even for a 273, I think a slant 6 it outrun it. So now we got this short track cam. We got 391 gears in the back, which I'm thinking about putting even steeper. But we're gonna see how it acts with the 4-speed when we get back to it, but just listen to that. All right, let's get this old yard dart moving. Might need those. Might have to circumcise. Okay, Anna is a terrible camera person. She paused the video and didn't even tell me. I'm sitting here telling you guys everything you need to know. It's cool. And I'm talking to myself, which is not unusual, but I'm used to it. So, yeah, look at her. Oh, yeah. The Dart is alive again. I think I can squeeze this through there. It'll be tight, but I think I can get through. And it's gonna probably have to drive on the other property, which technically it's still shared, but she'll probably do that. All right, let's make some room for Anna. I can't get on that side. Don't mind me.
Speeding away.
The Dart is out front again, which actually has never sat out front. There it is. Now Anna can go get her truck, and she can maybe start driving like a 38-year-old woman should be doing.
I'm not 38.
No, you're close enough. Okay, let's go get the truck. Okay, let's see if this truck fires up as easy as the old Dart did. Maybe. Anna stops fumbling around. There it is. Nifty. As we would say, that's neato mosquito. Okay, she needs to let that warm up for a little bit. We'll be back in a bit. Move on. This is going to be interesting. Anna does not have the driving experience any of us do, so no hard judging. She's still uncomfortable. And she chose a tank to drive. A very big, ill-handling tank. I wish that 360 was just stock. Oh, we got taillights, that's good. And Dad's messing with her now. That man right there is one of the last people you want to have to guide you out, because he is just, he will mess with you like no end. Arms gone. You got it, Anna. You're good. Confidence. She's very cautious. Extremely, exceptionally so. There's a boat in the way. Look at that. That's called motivation. And away the truck goes. I don't know where she's going with it, but she's going somewhere. And there we are. Anna's truck moved out from the backyard. The old Dart's back up front. I might leave it out here and just drive it for a little bit. Keep the tires around and whatnot. Yeah, we'll be taking that home and whatnot. So cool. So I know it's a short one, guys, but I hope you enjoyed it, getting to see the old Dart back in action. It's been a while since we've seen that one move and motivate. It's just been kind of stuck in the back. So, oh yeah. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this one. As always, look forward to seeing the next one. So take care as always, and bye-bye.